Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page in WordPress. We'll cover the essential steps to create a high-converting page. First, understand that a landing page is designed for a specific purpose, such as collecting emails or selling a product. It's crucial to keep your design focused and free from distractions to guide visitors toward your desired action. To begin, you'll need to choose your tools. Many users opt for a drag-and-drop page builder like Elementor or SeedProd, which makes design intuitive. Alternatively, some WordPress themes come with excellent landing page templates built right in. For more specialized needs, a dedicated landing page plugin can offer advanced features and analytics to optimize your efforts. When designing, focus on conversion. Start with a strong, clear headline that grabs attention and immediately communicates your offer. Follow this with concise, persuasive copy and high-quality visuals that support your message. Most importantly, ensure your landing page is fully mobile responsive, providing a seamless experience for users on any device, from desktops to smartphones. Once your design is complete, thoroughly test your landing page across different browsers and devices before publishing. After it's live, integrate analytics tools to track its performance, understanding how users interact with your content. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process. Continuously /B test different headlines, calls to action, and layouts to achieve the best possible conversion rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.